Friends YouTube. We're at BDTA 2020. I'm here with the new cordless Miele stick vac. This is the HX1 Pro. There's also a Cat&dog and a home care exclusive available at your local Miele dealer. So before you decide to buy one of these, check out your local Miele dealer first. All right, this stick vacuum can be a handheld vacuum with an electric brush roller. You see that there is power on this. I'll tell you what, this machine is pretty hefty. It's also really cool. You have an interchangeable battery by Miele. And let's take a look at the voltage. It's 25 volts right there. And it is interchangeable, which is a really nice thing about that. We also have a dustbin that's top fill, single cyclonic with the filter inside. This rotates off and comes in. Put this on. It's going to go on here. And then as you twist it, it locks down the bin to make a really tight seal. I know there's a gap right here, but this is making a seal with that. And you can see you got a battery check indicator there and several speeds right there. Okay, we're going to test the working vacuum gauge, and I've had to do this a little bit differently. I assure you there's a tight seal, but I've had to use the tool to adapt it to 1 1/4. Interesting, the inside of the dusting brush is 1 1/4. So we're going to see on maximum how much suction we get working vacuum. Sealed, working. So not as much as we anticipated or we were hoping for, but considering the low voltage of the unit, that does make sense on the vacuum. And what's here? You can see there's nice big openings to allow stuff to flow through here. You have an electric nozzle. This does not stop rotating. So if you are sucking up big things, careful on wood floor, there's a squeegee, and we see brushes there. So it's interesting that they went for that. And there's your swivel neck right up close, very strange. But the thing I like most about this is it's configurable. So you can pull this off. You can unclick the handle. And all of a sudden we have a Miele fitting on there. There's the motor unit by itself. And we can reconfigure this how the user wants. So if we need to get up high, we can now get up high with that. Very, very easy to get up high. And then of course you have your standard dusting brush that rotates around like so and get up high just like that. So that is kind of cool. Again, you have multiple speeds right there. So the unit, you can mount the dock wherever it's convenient on the wall. On the wall, you can have your standard Miele upholstery tool, your crevice tool, and a dusting brush. Most Miele accessories actually fit on here. This will fit and dock on your wall. It is quite hefty. And to show you that we are at the show, it would appear that we are looking for demonstration use only. We're looking at the European production models right here at the show. So these are not exactly what we might get in the US. So if something color or something's different, just keep that in mind. This is a first look. Here's a great shot of all three configurations of how you can have it. So again, you put the weight down low for floor cleaning, your hand tool, and then you have your up high or your Dyson-like configuration. All right, one of the things we like about the Miele stick vacuum here, the cordless machine that is, they may make a corded machine, is that this just clips, you rotate this up, and bueno, the brush roller pops out. I really like that. Now there's a line here, you can cut any hair off on that line. It has a sealed ball bearing, and there's rubber on this end cap which helps absorb vibration. So when this brush roller is actually operating on bare floor, that helps absorb it. This is one of the few brush roller on bare floor machines that's really designed with that in mind. And that just slides right back in. Now we talked about the rear of the machine. Here's where you're really getting your money's worth on the rear. A lot of these machines on the market have hard plastic that grinds on the floor. This has soft rubber, squeegee. You have wheels, and then on the sides, you have the soft felt. Now this machine is made in Germany. There are a lot of machines made in Malaysia, China. You know that it's made in Germany. It kind of gives you that reassurance it's built to last. There's also a 3-year warranty on the machine. Okay, we're going to do our usual pickup test. We have breakfast cereal, cat litter, flour, and fresh pet hair right here. And of course, we're going to do it on the highest setting. Wow, that did excellent. I think if you had bare floors, you'd be very pleased with the results of that. We're going to do a pickup test with the Miele Cordless stick vacuum. We have our usual stuff. We have breakfast cereal, cat litter, flour, and some fresh dog hair. Well, that did very well. It looks like it picked up everything one pass. All right, so we saw that this thing picked up well. In terms of maintenance, I wanted to just discuss that a little bit more now that I've had a chance to play with it a lot more. So it's cool as you empty this, that empties, and then you have this rubber thing that kind of wipes in here. Very easy going. And then you can kind of give it a half twist right there. Push that on. And that just goes right back there. Simple as that. Now what's cool about this is the brush roller comes out just like so. So when you need to check your brush roller or clean it off, you can. This is the same sort of brush roller Miele always used. It's a glass-filled resin. You can take a knife and cut along this line and get anything out of there. So that's real nice. The end cap does not appear to come off, so don't try to take that off, but it feels like there's a ball bearing in there. So really easy to put in there, and this rubber helps with vibration. Just like so. And that locks into place with that tab. So at 15 minutes of runtime on high, up to something like 45 on low, it's all right. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you'd like to purchase one of these, check the description below. I'll have a link to your local Miele dealer where you'll be able to purchase this locally. If you'd like, I'll also have a link to Amazon as well. And again, please share. Have a wonderful day.